In this video, I'm going to show you how to long on Kraken Pro app. To go long on Kraken Pro, you are essentially betting that the price of an asset will increase. This is done by opening a margin position where you borrow funds to amplify your potential profit or loss. So on the Kraken Pro app, we're going to select our desired trading or asset pair. So in my case, I already have one, which is Solana and USD, for example, right? And now we're gonna place an order, okay? Or sell order if you're closing a pre-existing short position. Remember to monitor your margin health. So instead of spot, you're gonna see spot at the beginning. Instead of spot, you're gonna hit margin, okay? And select, of course, the type of trade you want. And don't forget to set the price, okay? And also the TP and SL for protecting your asset or protecting your own money, right? Because crypto is highly volatile, so you need to be careful about that. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.